Why Figma is best option for UI UX. Here are the top 5 reasons why Figma is considered the best option for UI UX design. 1. Real-time collaboration. Figma allows multiple designers to work on the same project simultaneously, making it ideal for team collaboration and reducing feedback loops. 2. Cloud-based access. As a cloud-based tool, Figma enables you to access your designs from anywhere, ensuring your work is always saved and up to date without the need for manual backups. 3. Integrated prototyping. Figma offers powerful prototyping features within the same platform you use for design, allowing for seamless transitions between design and interactive prototypes. 4. Design systems and components. Figma supports the creation and management of design systems, allowing for reusable components, consistent styling, and efficient design processes across projects and teams. 5. Cross-platform compatibility. Figma works on both macOS and Windows, ensuring accessibility and convenience for users regardless of their operating system. Follow us for more update